Hey guys, this is Evan from At the Apex. Today we're with Paul and his S2000. He's owned multiple S2000s and he's done track days, he's an expert. He's going to give you 10 reasons why you should own one in 2019.
So I want to tell you about 10 reasons why you have to buy S2000 in upcoming years. Because there are many reasons, but these are the 10 I picked. Everything is simple. Exterior is simple, but interior is simple. Look at your gauge cluster. There's nothing else you need to drive. Now to the second point, which is the convertible. Now, driving this car on the sunset, on the top down, cruising down, this is one of the best feeling you can get. So I was driving on the cats and dog rainy day as well, on the top down. And still, I enjoyed it, every single minute of it. Now, you may ask, did I get wet? No. This car, if you drive it over 60 miles an hour, rain just passes by you. And the other person like me, I don't get wet. Honda stopped making S2000 back in 2009. And price has been going up ever since then. Especially last couple of years, Honda CR model has been going up crazy. With that, even the other convertible model is their price is going up crazy as well. The engine, there are two types of engine, one on the AP1, the other one on the AP2. One on the AP1 revs on to 9,000 RPM. One on the AP2 only revs up to 8,000 RPM. Still, that's a motorcycle range. Now, every time I hit the red line on this motor, it makes me smile. The design, look at it. It's simple. It's streamlined, simple exterior matching with the simple interior. There's nothing else you need for drivers to drive this car. While you're maintaining, you might want to consult the community. That comes to the next point, that the community is also important. Because the S2000, I've been member since the 2001. They given me a lot of advices. I was made friends there. I made the friends on the track. I made friends offline and online. This strong community, you get a lot of information out of them about the S2000 car. And you have to drive to enjoy it. If you're a passenger, you don't enjoy this car. You have to drive it. Drive it to the track, drive it to the autocross, drive to the drifting, drive to the events. If you want to show the car, absolutely there's an abundance of the parts available for you to modify your car with make it bling. The maintenance on the S2000 is pretty cheap because the parts are pretty cheap, and all the instructions is available on the internet. It listens to your input, and it follows your input, and then it taunts you. Is that what you can do? And when I improve my skill, it taunts you again. Is that what you can do? Now I have to improve more, and it goes and on and on and on. That cycle, it's just so much fun.